Imagine you're about to embark on a financial journey. You've heard whispers about a new, shiny bank called Lunar. It promises a world of digital convenience and sleek interface. But is it safe? Can you trust your hard-earned money with it? Welcome back to Your Channel Name. Today, we're diving deep into the waters of digital banking to explore the safety and reliability of Lunar Bank. We'll dissect its security measures, regulatory compliance, and customer experiences to give you a clear picture. Understanding Lunar Bank. Before we delve into the safety aspect, let's quickly recap what Lunar Bank is. It's a digital bank that offers a range of financial services, including current accounts, savings accounts, and investment products. It's known for its user-friendly app, sleek design, and innovative features. Is Lunar Bank safe? Now, the million-dollar question, is Lunar Bank safe? To answer this, we need to examine several key factors. Regulatory compliance. Lunar Bank operates under the strict regulatory framework of relevant regulatory authority. This means it's subject to regular audits and inspections to ensure compliance with financial regulations. Being regulated gives you peace of mind, knowing that your funds are protected by a robust regulatory system. Security measures. Encryption. Lunar Bank uses advanced encryption techniques to safeguard your sensitive information, such as your personal details and financial transactions. Strong authentication. They implement multi-factor authentication, MFA, to add an extra layer of security to your account access. This typically involves a combination of something you know, password, and something you have, e.g., a security code sent to your phone. Fraud prevention. Lunar Bank employs sophisticated fraud detection systems to monitor your account activity and identify any suspicious behavior. Customer support. A reliable customer support team is crucial in case of any issues or concerns. Lunar Bank offers various support channels, including live chat, email, and phone, to assist you promptly. Data privacy. Your data privacy is a top priority for Lunar Bank. They adhere to strict data protection regulations like GDPR to ensure your personal information is handled responsibly. Potential risks and considerations. While Lunar Bank has a strong track record and robust security measures, it's important to be aware of potential risks associated with any digital banking service. Cybersecurity threats. Like any online service, Lunar Bank is susceptible to cyber attacks. However, their commitment to strong security measures helps mitigate these risks. Technical issues. Occasional technical glitches or system outages can disrupt your banking experience. Based on our analysis, Lunar Bank appears to be a safe and reliable digital banking option. Its strong regulatory compliance, advanced security measures, and positive customer experiences make it a compelling choice for tech-savvy individuals. However, it's essential to exercise caution and practice good online security habits, such as using strong passwords, avoiding suspicious links, and keeping your device software up to date. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.